So I hadn't been to a gym for like over a decade, and I thought, let me just rejoin the gym. To motivate myself, I wanted to buy some new gear, so I checked out Reebok, Nike, and luckily for me, these awesome sales were on. So I ordered like 8 9 really cool t-shirts, and I remember first day I was extremely excited wearing my new t-shirt. I walk into this celebrity gym and I look around and nobody's wearing t-shirts anymore. Everybody's in sports bras. And I'm standing there, sticking out like a sore thumb, thinking to myself, when did t-shirts go out of fashion? And why didn't anyone tell me? I mean, what's the point of having all these fashion divas for friends, who know the latest styles, if someone can't even tell me कि Wally t-shirts पर पैसे मत खर्च कर, 8-10 sports bras ले ले. Madhura, Sukirti, seriously? Anyway, I made a quick exit from that gym and I was like, you know what? Let me just concentrate on basics and try and get an acting gig again. So I called up a few people I worked with, and luckily for me, they called me for 2-3 auditions, and they went off really well. But I didn't hear from them. So I knew someone who worked there internally at the production house, and I gave him a call कि यार मेरे हिसाब से तो audition अच्छा गया, but if you think I'm lacking something or I'm missing something, maybe some inputs from your side would be helpful, and any tips. And he's like नहीं Priya, आपका audition बहुत अच्छा गया. Basically it came down to you and this other girl. So I got damn happy. So I said, oh, so you mean to say, maybe there are like a second round of auditions or something? And he's like, nahi, wo actually वो role दूसरी लड़की को मिल गया. I'm like, okay. He's like, actually उसके 1 million followers थे. What? He's like, हाँ, actually कभी कभी जब दोनों का ऑडिशन इक्वली गुड होता है ना, तो कभी कभी when we can't decide, हम देख लेते हैं कि किसके फॉलोअर्स ज़्यादा है. And I'm like, oh my god, is this going to be the future? I mean, can you imagine, they can't decide whom to give the Oscar to, and then it's announced that the most followed actor award goes to. But I didn't say anything. Actually, पहले ही वो जिम वाला इंसिडेंट हो गया था, and I didn't want to make a further fool of myself. So I was like, you know what, let me just talk to a few actor friends, maybe I've been living under a rock for too long and all this is my fault only. So I called up one of my actor friends and he's like, Wally, dude, you gotta become an influencer, you're sitting on a gold mine. And I'm like, huh? He's like, yeah, that's the future, that's the real deal, you gotta become an influencer. I'm like, influencer, influence people. Actually, yeah, I can do that. I've played sports at a professional level, at a competitive level. I've been a national level tennis player, and that sort of builds a lot of character. So maybe I can talk about that. And what else? Yeah, I write okay. So some of my poems are a little deep and thought provoking. So maybe I can shoot them, like a nice nature shots, aesthetically shot, and maybe we can. He's like, no, Wally, you're getting it all wrong. कुछ character नहीं build करना है, कोई कुछ deep नहीं चाहिए. You'll just bore people. What? He's like, yeah, how do I explain it to you? You gotta do some fun stuff, like engage with people. Okay. Yeah, like, for example, you can play that song, Who Let the Dogs Out, and go, who? One sec. What? No, you can pick another song. No, one sec. I'm not getting it. Why would I go, Who Let the Dogs Out, who, and why would people want to watch that? I was like, you know what, this guy's lost his marbles. Let me just talk to some professional people. And my next call was, to a few agencies and managers. And I was like, see, this is my body of work, and I've done 8-9 shows, and these are the kind of roles I usually get. And they're like, yeah, but Priya, you gotta increase your social media presence. Okay. Yeah, you gotta have a little more, influence. You gotta be a little more influential. And I'm like, again that word. I'm like, but I'm not getting it. What's with all this influence? And but I'm coming to you for management, I need an acting gig. And they're like, yeah, see, depending on your reach, like these brands will get in touch with us, and then depending on the kind of influence you have. And I'm like, oh, one sec, you're saying that these companies, depending on how many followers I have, like, will try to sell their products via me? And but I don't want to do that. I want to act. I'm an actor. But you're saying that these days, to like restart again, to get an acting gig, I got to become an influencer first, and I'm not even qualified for that. So to be an influencer, I need to have more followers, and to have more followers, I need to be an influencer, and all this will help my acting. What was that song again? Huh? Who let the dogs out? Who